According to Google, people are using their mobile devices to search the web more often than from their desktops. As a result, Google will now reward website pages that are mobile-friendly with higher search rankings than pages that don't score as well. Google has found that mobile pages can take an average of 15.3 seconds to load. That's a long time, and even a 1-second delay can lead to a 20% drop in conversions. So Google is looking to lower this to an average of 5 seconds per page overall when using a 3G network. So with this in mind, you can speed up your site by optimizing your images, both by reducing their size and dimensions and adding more compression. A tip here is to do this before you upload your images to your website, rather than relying on your CMS to make the right settings. Secondly, clean up your URL link redirects. So this is when a browser is directed to a substitute page instead of the original page, and eliminating these can shave valuable time from your overall site speed. Your website hosting server may also be a culprit when contributing to slow page loads. So if you have a cheap hosting service, you might want to pay for something better or upgrade your hosting hardware to get a better speed result.